you struggling a little bit there?
Now it's gone.
It's not nice to steal the birdie's food. I'm videoing it.
Me too.
Is he trying to get the bottom of it off?
I'm sure he's just trying to get into it. Anyway, that it'll come apart.
His tail is so fluffy. I want to give it a hug, but it would eat me.
Somebody should have filled it with cotton candy.
See the panda?
There's a raccoon.
A raccoon.
In this
In
tree.
your tree.
Right
at
here,
your bird
here.
feeder.
In this tree over
Right
here.
here.
Right next to us.
He's trying to get into your bird feeder to get some food.
We were taking video of him because he's opening it up. Wait, I hope he doesn't run off. Maybe he'll go back to eating it. Where
Is he going to get somebody or is he going
Yeah, he's going to get his kids.
Oh. Just as long as he doesn't hurt it.
No, he's not going to.
I've never seen. I didn't know they could climb trees.
He's like, yeah, back to the
terrifying.
Oh, he's
back
back.
to the seat.
Go back to the
He says, why are we looking at this really go straight through?
Yeah. Well, the kids.
Yeah, it's not a panda, Mom. It's a raccoon.
I know.
Oh, Kung Fu Panda.
I'm recording it.
He's looking at